Guys, welcome back for another video of Steps Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you can reset the service light required indicator of a Jeep Renegade 2015. This one comes from 2015 till 2020, if I remember correctly. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. When we I've just reset it, so the message won't show up now. When we turned the ignition on, there was an indicator in yellow that said service required, and I've just done the reset, and this is how you do it. Turn the ignition on, then you're gonna use the accelerator or the gas pedal 3 times in 5 seconds. Then turn the ignition off, remove the key, turn back on the ignition and start up the car, and you'll see that the yellow indicator won't show up anymore. If it shows up again, try it again, then you have done it wrong. So once again, ignition off, ignition back on, the accelerator pedal 3 times within 5 seconds, remove the key, start the car up, and you will see that the indicator won't show up anymore. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.